Welcome to the Riskwiser Zone, the show where we dive into the world of finance and explore the latest trends and developments that affect your investments. I'm your host, Lewis, and I'm excited to share today's stories with you. We're starting off with a look at the global market, where tensions are running high. In Saudi Arabia, stocks took a hit on Sunday, sliding 1.9% in Riyadh, the biggest drop since April. The decline was led by materials producers, including Saudi Arabian Mining Co., after a rally in the dollar late last week accelerated a plunge in precious metals prices. Gold and silver saw significant declines, with gold experiencing its biggest slide in 4 decades. The geopolitical tensions in the region are also playing a role in the market downturn. Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei warned of a regional war as tensions continue to mount over potential U.S. strikes on Tehran. The situation is complex and multifaceted, with many factors at play. It's worth noting that despite the decline, the Saudi benchmark had its best monthly performance since 2022 in January, and in a move that could potentially boost foreign investment, non-Saudis can now invest directly in Saudi Arabian stocks, ending years of limited access. We'll be keeping a close eye on these developments and exploring their implications for investors. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting to build your portfolio, it's essential to stay informed about the latest market trends and news. We'll be right back with more from the world of stocks and finance on the Riskwiser Zone. Welcome back to the Riskwiser Zone. We're diving into the world of finance and exploring some significant developments that could impact your investments. Today, we're looking at 3 key stories that have emerged from the recent budget announcements. First, let's talk about the increase in securities transaction tax, which has left brokers and traders reeling. The tax hike is expected to increase costs for investors, particularly those who engage in frequent buying and selling of securities. While the government aims to generate additional revenue, some experts argue that this move could lead to a decrease in trading volumes and negatively impact market liquidity. On the other hand, we have the proposal to allow foreign individuals to directly invest in Indian equities. This move is seen as a positive step towards attracting more foreign investment into the country. With a 10% individual cap and an aggregate limit of 24%, overseas investors can now participate in the Indian stock market through portfolio investment schemes. This could potentially lead to increased foreign inflows and provide a much-needed boost to the market. Lastly, the budget has also introduced changes to the tax treatment of buybacks, which could have significant implications for companies and investors alike. The new rules aim to discourage companies from opting for buybacks as a means of returning wealth to shareholders, instead encouraging them to distribute dividends. While this move is intended to promote transparency and fairness, some experts argue that it could lead to unintended consequences, such as reduced investor returns and decreased market activity. As we navigate these developments, it's essential to consider the potential risks and opportunities that arise from these changes. Investors must be cautious and adapt their strategies accordingly. The Indian stock market is known for its volatility, and it's crucial to stay informed and up to date with the latest news and trends. Welcome back to the Riskwiser Zone. We've had a fantastic discussion today, covering various topics that can impact your investment portfolio. As we wrap up the show, let's take a look at some of the key stocks that have been making headlines lately. We've got updates on several major companies, including Caterpillar, Tesla, and ASML Holding. Caterpillar, for instance, has seen its shares gain 77% over the past year, with some analysts predicting further growth due to its exposure to AI and data center construction. Meanwhile, Tesla continues to be a favorite among investors, with its unique blend of electric vehicles and technology innovations. But what about other stocks that might be flying under the radar? We've also got news on companies like Seagate, Western Digital, and Micron, which are all players in the data storage and semiconductor spaces. These firms could potentially benefit from the growing demand for AI-related technologies. It's essential to remember that investing in the stock market always carries some level of risk. While some stocks may have tremendous growth potential, others might be more volatile or susceptible to market fluctuations. As an investor, it's crucial to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and stay informed about the latest developments. In conclusion, we've covered a range of topics on today's show, from AI-driven investments to the potential risks and rewards associated with various stocks. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's essential to approach the market with caution and a clear understanding of the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. That's all for today's Riskwiser Zone. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep your finances in check.